5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now let's break things down. For the first set of 8, we're simply going to be walking towards each other from the opposite sides. So notice our follower is on the left side of the dance floor, the leader is on the right side of the dance floor. Okay, so for the first set of 8, we'll just simply walk towards each other. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the second set of 8, leader, you're going to hold your partner's hands and you're going to draw a circle clockwise with both of your hands so that your partner is turning to her right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, on count 5, you're going to place your partner's hands over your head. We call this a face loop. 5, 6, 7, 8. So on count 7, 8, we should be in a closed embrace position. Okay, so our right arm, our arms are around our partner's waist. Followers, your arms are going to be on top of your partner's shoulder. On the third set of 8, we'll be swaying clockwise and we'll do 4 sways. Leader, you're going to start with your left foot. Follower, you're going to start with the right foot. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice we're just rotating slightly to the right. So it's more like 90 degrees rotation to the right and keeping our steps small. And now on the fourth set of 8, we're going to do a dip. So leader, you're going to bend your left knee, extend your right leg out, and you're going to dip your partner to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll come up. And then you're going to grab your partner's right hand and draw a circle clockwise. 7, 8. And now we're back to dance position. Now let's talk a little bit more about the dip. So make sure, leader, your weight is mostly on the left leg. You're bending your left knee, right leg is out to the side. Make sure you keep a good, strong posture here. You do not want to lean forward, okay? You want to counterbalance your partner's weight. So stay upright. Now for the follower, you are going to be shifting your weight onto your right foot. Rotate your body to the left, bend your right knee, and extend your left leg in front of you. You want to stay connected to your partner's shoulders. Lean back slightly. There we go. And now we're going to bring her back after count 4. Leader, make sure you grab your partner's right hand, and that way you can turn your partner on count 7 and 8. And notice for the follower, your footwork, it's very simple. You're just going to be turning on your right foot. 7, 8. Make sure to shift your weight onto your left foot. That way your right foot is free to do the next step in our pattern.